Ever wondered how system testing works? Today, we delve into the world of system testing. System testing, in essence, is a level of testing where a complete and integrated software system is examined. It's not just about checking individual parts, but rather, it's about testing the system as a whole, making sure that all the pieces fit together perfectly. This process is a critical cog in the wheel that is the software development lifecycle. It's the stage where we ensure everything works together, like a well-oiled machine. The importance of system testing cannot be overstated. It's like the final rehearsal before the big show, where the actors are the software components and the stage is the system where they interact. From validating the system's architecture to verifying its performance, system testing plays a vital role in ensuring a software system's reliability, functionality, and efficiency. System testing is a critical phase in software development, ensuring all components work together seamlessly. Now, imagine you're about to embark on a system testing journey. What are the steps you need to follow? The first step is test planning. This is where you define the strategy and approach for your testing process. You'll need to determine the scope, resources, and schedule for your tests. It's like drawing a map for your testing journey. You need to know where you're going, how you're going to get there, and what you'll need for the trip. Next, we move on to test case development. This is where you create specific scenarios to test the system's functionality, performance, and reliability. Think of these as your destinations on your testing journey. You're looking for places where the system might fail, so you can ensure it doesn't. Then comes the test environment setup. This is like packing your bags for your journey. You're creating a controlled environment where you can run your tests. It should mimic the real-world environment where the system will be used as closely as possible. Once your environment is ready, you can proceed to the test execution phase. This is the heart of the journey. You're running your tests, observing the outcomes, and recording the results. It's about finding any bugs or issues that could affect the system's performance. The final step is test closure. This is the end of your journey. You're reviewing the results, documenting the findings, and making recommendations for improvements. It's a time for reflection and learning so you can improve future system testing processes. Remember, system testing is usually performed by a specialized testing team. They have the skills and expertise to ensure the process is done correctly. But even if you're not a testing professional, understanding these steps can help you appreciate the complexity and importance of system testing. Following these steps ensures a thorough and effective system testing process. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to system testing. But when is the right time to perform it? Well, system testing is not a random event in the software development lifecycle. It's a critical phase that comes into play after integration testing has been completed. It's the juncture where individual units of code have been combined and tested together, ensuring that they work in harmony. When we say after integration testing, we mean that the system in its entirety is ready and ripe for a complete evaluation. This is the stage where we test the system as a whole, leaving no stone unturned. On the other hand, system testing is done before user acceptance testing. This is the final checkpoint before the product is sent to the end user. It's our last chance to catch and fix system-wide issues that might have slipped through the cracks. The timing of system testing is crucial to catch any system-wide issues before the product reaches the end user. So, we know what system testing is and when to do it, but why is it so crucial? Let's dive right in. Think of system testing as a safety net. It's there to catch any bugs, errors, or issues that may have slipped through the cracks during the earlier stages of software development. By testing the system as a whole, we can ensure that all components are working together seamlessly and that the final product is of the highest quality. Now let's look at a use case. Imagine a banking app that hasn't gone through proper system testing. The app works fine in isolation, but when integrated with other banking systems, transaction errors occur. This could lead to customers losing money or their trust in the bank. In contrast, a thoroughly system-tested app would have identified and fixed these issues before deployment, ensuring a smooth user experience. System testing is a safety net, catching any potential issues before they reach the end user, ensuring a high-quality and reliable product.